10 Best Low-Risk High-Return Investments for Retirement in 2025. Planning your retirement in 2025 means finding smart ways to grow your savings while protecting your money. With market ups and downs, retirees need low-risk options that still offer solid returns. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 of the best low-risk, high-return investments to consider for a stable and comfortable retirement. 1. High-yield savings accounts. Earn better interest than regular savings accounts while keeping your money safe and accessible. Return, 3% to 4%. Risk, minimal, FDIC insured. Ideal for emergency funds and short-term goals. 2. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Lock in your money for a set time to get a fixed interest rate, ideal for steady, safe growth. Return, 4% to 5%. Risk, very low. Ideal for conservative investors seeking stability. 3. Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, TIPS. Government bonds that increase with inflation, helping protect your money's value over time. Return, inflation plus 1% to 2%. Risk, virtually none. Ideal for inflation-conscious retirees. 4. Dividend-paying blue-chip stocks, strong, stable companies that pay regular dividends, offering income and long-term growth. Return, 6% to 8%. Risk, moderate. Ideal for long-term investors wanting steady income. 5. Municipal bonds, issued by local governments. These bonds offer steady returns and are often tax-free. Return, 3% to 5%, tax-free. Risk, low. Ideal for retirees in higher tax brackets. 6. Fixed indexed annuities, FIAs, earn returns linked to market indexes without the risk of losing your principal. Return, 4% to 6%. Risk, low. Ideal for income-focused, risk-averse investors. 7. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, invest in real estate without owning property. They pay regular dividends and offer growth. Return, 6% to 9%. Risk, moderate. Ideal for income seekers wanting diversification. 8. Robo-advisors, conservative portfolios, automated platforms that manage low-risk investments tailored to your needs. Return, 4% to 6%. Risk, low to moderate. Ideal for hands-off investors wanting smart diversification. 9. Stable value funds, low-risk funds offering steady growth and capital protection, common in retirement plans. Return, 3% to 4%. Risk, very low. Ideal for capital preservation. 10. Gold IRA investment, add physical gold to your IRA for protection against inflation and economic swings. Return, 5% to 7%. Risk, low to moderate. Ideal for diversification and wealth protection. Retirement in 2025 requires smart, secure investment choices. By combining low-risk options with reliable returns, you can build a portfolio that offers both peace of mind and financial growth. Choose wisely based on your goals, timeline, and risk comfort. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.